Today we're unboxing and trying out the products we received in our September 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Hey, it's Amanda. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Welcome back to my channel. But if it's your first time here and you enjoy beauty hauls, subscription unboxings, first impressions, reviews, and more, start right now by clicking subscribe for new videos weekly. If you're unfamiliar what Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is, it's $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products, and each box retails for over $100. And then they also have the regular glam bag, which is $12 a month, and you get 5 deluxe sample sizes. Sometimes you will get a full-size item. Next month, which is October, they are launching the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, which is $50, and you get 8 full-size items and 4 deluxe sample sizes. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for September and seeing how these products look on my face, then just keep on watching. Okay, we got some yellow foam, and the box is already starting to fall apart. This is the second subscription box I received a repeat product. I don't know if it's because I've had Ipsy and BOXYCHARM for such a long time that I'm bound to get repeat products. There is just such a variation of products that they offer, and by my profile, you should know if I've received a product or not. I am a little upset about that. We will cross that bridge in this video when we get there. I did get some add-ons. For full-size add-ons, they are $12, and like the deluxe sample sizes are $3. September's theme is Find Your Light. Then they have the card, which tells you about your products and their retail values, and then on the back, it tells you about Ipsy, your Glam Bag Plus just got better. Starting with your October Glam Bag Plus, enjoy these new features. Beginning on September 24th, you'll be able to choose one of your 5 Glam Bag Plus products. That is awesome for customization. I'm looking at my box right now and I'm a little salty. I did not get the Nomad Cosmetics palette. I chose on my profile that I really enjoy palettes, and that's kind of what I wrote to customer service, and this customer service wasn't like the best go around. Like when I told them about my Huda Beauty palette not matching my profile. The second bullet point is new glam bag. You asked, we listened, we heard. Our Glam Bag Plus members have been missing the actual glam bag. Well, guess what? It's back and you're gonna love it. And then the third bullet point is pick up to 5 add-ons. So right now we can only get up to 3, and now we get 2 more, which, oh my gosh. I'm actually keeping my Glam Bag Plus subscription as well as Ultimate to kind of do a comparison. I'm not sure how many add-ons I'll be able to do for the Ultimate. Underneath it, it says Glam Bag Plus, not enough. If you want even more epic beauty experience, check out the new Glam Bag Ultimate at ipsy.com/ultimate. Let's go on ahead and get unboxing, and then we'll try on the products afterwards. That's just kind of the style I did for my BOXYCHARM unboxing. It seemed to work out well. So let's implement it for Ipsy and every other subscription box. And I'll also leave timestamps in the description or in the comments in case if you just wanted to see the unboxing, or if you're just interested in seeing the try on, or just watch the whole video if you want to see both. So it looks like for September it's a very makeup heavy one. So we only got one skincare item and we'll quickly go through it. And then for the makeup, the first product received is the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser, and this retails for $34. I really enjoy Glam Glow products, and I already own this cleanser, so I am not gonna open this. I'm gonna set it aside for a future giveaway, so be sure to be subscribed for when that giveaway is announced. Formulated with ultra refreshing Teoxy green leaf, purple clay, goji berries, and asi, this exfoliating cleanser gently buffs away dull skin cells to reveal a refined glowing complexion. Tip: gentle enough for everyday use, apply this cleanser to a wet face and lightly massage in an even circular motion. Rinse and pat dry. I recently just got like the Laneige 2-in-1. It would be fun to use this along with that. That is, you're cutting out like half your routine right there. But I actually haven't used this. I actually purchased this like a while back. It's in my queue to be rotated into my skincare routine. Next we have the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder, and this retails for $22. I already own this, and this is the repeat product I'm talking about. Yes, it is a smaller size, but the fact of the matter is, when I had Ipsy Glam Bag before I upgraded to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I had received this product, and they were saying that, oh, you received Hideout. It's really hard to see, but it still says Extraordinary. So I ended up reaching out to their customer service and saying, why did I receive a repeat product? And they were like, you did not receive a repeat product. In 2018, in your November Glam Bag, you received Hideout, where this is the Extraordinary. And I'm like, but I'm failing to see where it says Hideout, where it says Extraordinary. It kind of made me upset because like they were arguing with me what I got versus this. And I'm just like, shouldn't your Ipsy profile pick up if you get a repeat product, whether it was from Glam Bag or whether if it was from Glam Bag Plus? And I said I was just really upset because I wanted the Nomad Cosmetics palette because I figured that would match my profile a little bit better, and it wasn't offered as an add-on. Since you do pay essentially $5 per product, they ended up just refunding me the $5. I don't know, it left a bad taste in my mouth that they would try to argue with you, it felt very much like BOXYCHARM's customer service, and I've always raved about Ipsy's customer service. That's not cool. Don't come at me when I am providing pictures in my email. I don't want to let that ruin the unboxing, but I just wanted to do a little story time on that. Since I already have this is also going to be set aside for a future giveaway with the Glam Glow cleanser. Based off of the story, I have had this powder for a while. It's a very white powder. It's very refined. For me, I've just been really enjoying banana powders more, but there's nothing against it. It does set my under eyes quite nice. It goes right in. I haven't noticed any flashback. Third, we have the Wander Beauty Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil, and this retails for $21. I don't know how I keep getting dang Wander Beauty products. On Ipsy's profile, you can select what brands you want to see more in your glam bag, and I know I don't have Wander Beauty clicked. I don't know. We'll see. I have really been enjoying brow pencils recently compared to like my Benefit Ka-Brow, which has been like my holy grail for years now, but I have been slightly using more of the Precisely My Brow by Benefit, and as well as the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. It is nice to get another one because I've been going through the Brow Wiz so quickly. We'll definitely give this a shot and see. I know there have been some Wander Beauty products that have taken me by surprise, like the Seascape palette. I know it kind of crumples in the pan, but did enjoy how it went on the eyes. And then I recently got the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Oil from BOXYCHARM, which I have been using. So maybe this might be a third product by Wander Beauty that works out. I have a conspiracy theory that Wander Beauty doesn't sell well, so it makes all these contracts and deals with subscription boxes, because I've seen Wander Beauty in Ipsy, BOXYCHARM, FabFitFun, and Try Beauty Box. Let me know in the comments what other subscription boxes you have seen Wander Beauty and what you think about Wander Beauty, because I do get annoyed every time I see Wander Beauty. I'm like, every month it seems like one subscription box is gonna have dang Wander Beauty. Their products aren't that good, so they don't sell. So, you know, work with subscription boxes because they are so popular. So we're just forcing people to have Wander Beauty. But that's just something that goes through my mind every time I do see Wander Beauty in a subscription box. So the fourth product we received is the Ofra Cosmetics Madison Miller Squad Palette, and this retails for $35. Madison Miller is an influencer, and she actually works with Ipsy, so it's really exciting to see her collab with Ofra. Samantha March also collabed with Ofra, and I actually ended up picking the rest of the Madison Miller collection as well as Samantha March's highlighter when this was launched. And this is what the inside looks like. So we have two highlighting shades and a blush. So I'm gonna do some swatches. I probably should have waited for the try on, but I really wanted to touch the highlighters. It was kind of like Finding Nemo. Touch the butt, touch the highlighters. That was me. And I don't see a sticker on the back for some names, but my ring and finger are highlighters, and this is a blush. Yes, I definitely know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this face palette. I'm a huge fan of Ofra products. Congratulations, Madison Miller, for collabing with them. And then the last product I received is the Illamasqua Antimatter Lipstick in the shade Midnight, and this retails for $27. We actually received an Illamasqua Lip Pencil Duo in an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus a few months ago, which were really hard for lip pencils. Ooh, but this shade, it is right up my alley. Oh no, looks like we got a little moisture mark. Jaclyn Hill, you working for Illamasqua? I'm sorry, I digress. Let's do a swatch. Oh, that is pigmented. It is super creamy. Overall, I think we got a decent box. I did receive two products I already have in my collection and then a repeat product, so I'm kind of annoyed about that. I'm excited to try the lipstick, brow pencil, and face palette. They seem pretty promising, but I did get 3 add-ons. First extra add-on I picked up is the Madison Miller highlighter in the shade Moondance. This is a full-size add-on, so I paid $12 for this. This shade is stunning. I am living for it. So creamy, and bitch, it is there. Definitely enjoy Ofra highlighters because you are beaming to the gods. Like, it can be pitch black outside, but you have some Ofra highlighter on and boop, and that's your reflective right there. Who needs to have like the reflector on the bikes when you got an Ofra highlighter? I think this is gonna do a better job. And I picked up the Kaleido Cosmetics Obsidian Liquid Eyeliner. This was a deluxe size sample that I paid $3 for, and it looks like a full-size eyeliner. That is a really good price. I really hope it's a very opaque, very matte black eyeliner. I received the Hank and Henry eyeliner in BOXYCHARM, and it was trash. I can always use more eyeliner because I do go through it rather quickly. I don't know why, like, most of my eyeliners end up with just like plastic butts. This is what it looks like, and this is what the felt tip looks like. So it kind of looks like the Morphe liquid eyeliner tip. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Ooh, yes. It looks a little bit more satin than matte, but it's still very pigmented and very black. And then the third add-on I picked up is the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer in the shade Saniva. This was also a deluxe size sample. If I can open it. Wow, I kind of made a dent into it when I was trying to get it. But I do have a Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer palette, but this shade is my favorite from it, and yes. So I just wanted to have a backup. It's just a very flattering bronzer shade. So that lipstick looks like it's gonna have some good staying power because it's stained on my arm. Since we do have a few face products to test, I'm gonna quickly prep my face for it. So I'm gonna start off with the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. And then I'm gonna take my No Pore Bloom primer on a Luxie 510 foundation brush. This is my favorite primer of all time. And then I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Do You foundation. And I'm using a Sigma 3D HD Max Kabuki to buff it out. This foundation is technically a full coverage, and I find myself really needing to build it to achieve full coverage. But I do enjoy how this foundation is buildable up to your liking. And I just really enjoy how its shade matches me almost pretty perfect. I tend to forget putting foundation right here, so when I'm editing, I'm like, oh girl, that's rough. I just got really bad baby hairs. I don't even know why they're so prominent. And I quickly just want to take my Laura Geller Balance and Brighten foundation on a Morphe G36 brush. This is my favorite powder to set my face. So this Lovecraft Beauty bronzer is really hard to open. Oh, so I'm gonna take my Lovecraft Beauty add-on on a Morphe E34. Nice and pigmented. And ooh, got some mud right there, but it blends so nice that I can't even get mad. We're fixing it. I haven't used it in a hot minute because I do have products set aside as a favorites. Some of these products have been just sitting to the side since May. I'm sit here in bronze all day because I love this. Such a good shade. I just don't like how it opens. And let's take the Madison Miller collaboration face palette. I'm gonna take a Luxie 514 blush brush. Ooh. There was some kickback in there. Ooh. This is like my ideal blush shade. Yes. It's very natural looking. That's what I've been going for in my blushes recently. Oh, I got a little bit of highlighter right there in this area. I thought that was like setting powder or from like residue when I cleaned it. No, I just got carried away in the pan. But this blush and bronzer combo, I am living for. I don't even know what highlighter to use. I'm like, do I use the standalone? But I think that these definitely want to go on and play because they keep making their entrance, especially this one. So I'm gonna take this one right here. There's some kickback and bitch. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I know it can look greasy, but I live for a beaming highlighter, and Ofra's are my absolute favorite for that reason. Wander Beauty Time. I forgot to take it out of the box when we unboxed it, but that's what it looks like. body powder. To quickly recap the products, I already love my Lovecraft Beauty bronzer because I have it in the palette. The only thing is I don't like how this opens. I find it very difficult to open, and I already made a gash in it. Luckily with my brush and doing a swatch, it kind of went away. But I really loved how the bronzer applied. It gave my skin a very natural bronze. Even though it went on really harsh when I first initially pressed my brush onto my head, once I was able to blend it out, it doesn't look as harsh. It looks very natural. I think for a $3 add-on, you get a decent amount of product, and I know it's gonna get a lot of love. I really loved this Madison Miller Ofra face palette. I like how you have 2 highlighters and a blush. It would have been nice to maybe one of these been a bronzer. That way you kind of have all 3. But I do like how there were 2 highlighting shades instead of 2 blushes because I am a sucker for highlighter. I felt that the blush went on very nice as well. It's definitely a buildable blush, which is nice because it is a more natural shade. That way you're not just going in really harsh. I don't like that in my blushes. I like to be able to have that ability to build up my blush to my liking. The blush and the bronzer combined look really nice together. And then this highlighting shade is beaming. I know Ofra is very notorious about their beaming highlighters. This formula compared this one that I got as an add-on, I did not expect it to be as beaming, but I am living for it. And then I'm really excited for this add-on. They also had a different shade that I had already picked up through Ofra. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it too. It's another very beaming highlighter. When I was applying this lipstick, it was kind of hard to go around on like the lip shape, so I definitely feel like a lip pencil might have helped. I think it's a matte formula. Or it might be like a little satiny. It feels very comfortable. It doesn't feel drying like a matte, but it doesn't feel like really creamy like a satin finish, but there was some transfer right there. I really like the shade a lot. I love a good red. And then so far I like this liquid eyeliner. It was really easy to use. It's more of a satin finish than a matte finish. I did not experience any creasing just applying it by itself. I just want to see how it applies with eyeshadow just to see if it's adhering to my shadows or if it dries out really quickly. But for $3 right now, it's not bad. I can't complain. And then the Wonder Beauty micro pencil took me by surprise. It's very similar to the ABH Brow Wiz on how it applied and filled in my brows. So I'm really pleased how my brows look. And since I am running low on my Brow Wiz and my Precisely My Brow, this was a nice addition to get. It's my 3rd Wonder Beauty product that I have found that has worked out for me. If you have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, definitely let me know what you got in your box. Did you get the Nomad Cosmetics palette? And if you did, how did it work out for you? That was one product I was really hoping for. And if we got similar products, what were your thoughts on them? And if you get the normal Ipsy Glam bag, did you get the bronzer or the eyeliner? And if so, what were your thoughts on them? And let me know if you plan on getting the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. I know I'm really excited for it. I'm excited to see what add-ons they're gonna have. I'm gonna go add-on crazy like I normally do. That is one thing I just want to quickly say about the add-on program. I don't know how they select the add-on products that you can choose. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it doesn't have that many products as a variety. So I thought for an add-on, any of the other products that you didn't receive in your box, but I felt like it was very selected because there was another repeat product that is that Wonder Beauty Seascape palette. That was an option for an add-on, but not that Nomad Cosmetics. I'm still a little salty about that. So I was just very confused. I was like really hoping to get that Nomad Cosmetics as an add-on, but I didn't see it. And since I don't get normal Ipsy Glam bag, I'm always curious to see what kind of treasures are hiding in the $3 section. So maybe on September 24th, the Nomad Cosmetics will be part of Ipsy Glam bag for October, and that will be my customization item. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video.